Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Happy Easter. Let's try this again because I lost my internet for a second. So round two, happy Easter for all of you who celebrate Easter. Happy Passover for those of you who celebrated yesterday and Friday. How's everybody doing? Where are you guys checking in from? Again, sorry for the round two, but I did lose my internet. It's a beautiful day in PA, but chilly. Like I think we have to take our plants in from the deck, all the ones that we just put out yesterday. How about you guys? What's the weather like? Where are you checking in from? Hi, Marcia. How you doing? Hi, Susie. Hi, Marion. Hi, Lulu. Oh, that's my doggy's name. Oh, that's so awesome. I love that name, by the way. How's everybody doing? Hi, Lynn. Happy Easter to everybody. So here's what's going on, you guys. Tara's off today. A well-deserved day off for spending time with her family. Hi, Noelle. Happy Easter. Hi, Terry. How's everybody doing? Hi, Rita. All right, so here's what's going on in the kitchen with David. Having so much fun over there today. And I don't know if you already missed it, but we showed the olive flutter bowls, the 1, 2, 3 quart. Check it out, you guys. Absolutely gorgeous. If you're loving the yellow, the teal, the pink, the lavender, it's all those gorgeous colors that everybody loves. Happy Easter, yes, to everyone. Hi, Stacy. How you doing? Are you guys in the middle of getting ready for Easter? If you celebrate Easter, I know my family is coming over, all the kids, and I have 2 kids getting married this year, so they're fiancés, fianceurs, and boyfriends, girlfriends, all that kind of stuff. They're coming over right after the show. How about you guys? What are you up to today? Are you guys cooking? Are you going somewhere? Where are you going? I know. It's a lot of fun having everybody over your house. I don't think last Easter we had a really small crowd, so this is really nice. Thank you, Ruth Ann. I decided to get a little dressy today. It was fun putting a dress on, that's for sure. All right, so that was the olive flutter bowls. Okay, that is item number. Hold on. Hi, Karen. How are you? Hi, Jeremy. Ooh, nice, Jeremy. Hi, Colleen. Ooh, from Florida. What's it like, Colleen? Let us live vicariously through you. Was it gorgeous down there? I'm telling you, it was so beautiful. I was actually in New York City yesterday for the day with my daughter. The most beautiful, beautiful weather. And then today, it's in the 40s here in PA. It is cold, and my husband so nicely yesterday went out and planted all these flowers and put them out on our deck. I'm looking at them right now, and he said we have to bring them all in tonight. Yeah. Well, everybody's jumping in now. All right, item numbers on the olive flutter bowls. H221545. H221545. Olive flutter bowls, only available now, you guys. So if you love these, like I love these. This is the buttercream. Wait, I gotta show you this. Look at this cake that our food stylist baked in the lavender. Isn't this so pretty? It's gorgeous, right? I know. Really pretty. So check it out. Then we have a brand new item coming up at like 2:30, 2:40, 2:40-ish, around there. It's our set of 2. Look at this, you guys. We're calling them paddles with stoneware inserts. But you know what these are? These are serving trays, and they're charcuterie boards, and they're trivets. Because look, it's 2 pieces that come apart like this. You're getting a small and a large. Look how gorgeous. It comes in the classic sculptural. Look how pretty that is. And it also comes in woodland. My woodland has food on it, or I would show it to you. These are stunning. I don't know about you guys, but like I do charcuterie all the time now. Like boards are so popular. Happy Easter to everybody joining in. They're so popular, but now that you can get like some that aren't this big, I'm gonna make you guys laugh. Hold on for 1 second. All right, hold. So I told my daughter last Christmas that I wanted a charcuterie board, okay? So, don't laugh. Here's what I got. Look how big this thing is, right? I love it. But look, like I can barely even lift it. It's gigantic, right? But it's just, that's great when I'm serving a crowd. But for me and my husband, and maybe just a few people are coming over, the item number is H230508. This is the size that I'm looking for. How about you? Do you guys feel the same way? H230508 are the new paddles. And thank you so much, Colleen, for putting in the item number for the olive flutter bowls. H221545. H221545. So anyway, these are the paddles, and I'm upset. You get both. You don't have to choose. Here's what you have to choose. Classic sculptural. Now I'm going to drop out the insert so I can show you, because now you got, this is a trivet too. So it's a serving piece. It's a trivet. Love it. That's what it looks like up close. Do you see how pretty this is? Stunning. All classic sculptural design right there. Absolutely beautiful. We have it in the 4 colors in classic sculptural. Yes, Jeremy, right? I'm slightly obsessed, seriously. And then it also comes in woodland. We've never done anything like this before in woodland. Nothing, nothing, nothing. So item number on the paddles is H230508. Yeah. You know what? Jenna said, or Jen said, that's pretty if I entertained. But you know what, Jen? Even just for yourself, seriously, to use these as a tribute. And just to show you capacity, I want to show you this. Look how cute this is. Here is like charcuterie. Right, so we put our meats on one. Look how pretty that is. And then we did our cheeses on another. So these are just those great sizes, but it's not just for charcuterie. Like, look how pretty. Look what we did here. How about sushi? I haven't even uncovered it yet, but sushi. So these are great serving pieces. Yes. Oh, Karen says it's cool in Illinois. Rain and snow. Snow? Seriously? Oh my gosh, Karen. I would lose my mind if it started snowing. Seriously. Anyway, check these out. I'll be on with David at about like 2:34, 2:35, 2:36, something like that. What colors are going to be offered? Going by memory. Plum, white, slight blue and gray. In the classic sculptural. And then in woodland, white, slate blue, gray, and taupe, I think. Yes. Look at the plum in the sculptural. You guys, again, my sushi's on here so you can't really see it. But if you go to QVC.com and you type in this item number, H230508, you'll get a really good up close look at it. And who just said I love because it's white? Jen, I agree with you. As you guys in my kitchen, I love white. So I think this is just so beautiful. You know what else I think this would be really good for? A wedding or shower gift. Especially like if you're going to get classic white, because I find like brides love white. Exactly, right? And I'm laughing because as I'm saying brides love white, my daughter is calling me who's getting married. I should ask her, but I know she's going to tell me she loves white. So anyway, I hope you guys have a fabulous, fabulous Easter Sunday if you're celebrating Easter. And I hope you had a great Passover weekend. It's a beautiful sunny day here. I hope it's beautiful and sunny where you are. Although Karen, snowing in Illinois, yikes. And I hope we see you guys soon. We'll be on at about 2:35. If you have time, pop on in the kitchen with David. Mary, the number for these, set it to H230508. H230508. Jeremy, we're working on a new canister set in Woodland. I know, I have one in my kitchen. Obsessed. Love, love, love. And then you guys, we have so much going on this week. So we have an hour show on Wednesday at 11 a.m. and at 7 p.m. So definitely check us out then. And then, you know, we have our live stream and our must-haves and all that fun stuff. Wednesdays, we spend a lot of time together with you guys on Wednesdays. So looking forward to seeing you. Again, have a fabulous day. Thanks for spending the last few minutes with me. And come join me around 2:35 on In the Kitchen with David. You guys have a great day. See ya.